Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best battery terminals this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. We've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Install Gear Battery Terminal. First on our list is Install Gear's positive and negative battery terminals. Compatible with 2, 4, 8, and 10 gauge whilst including both sets of battery terminals, this product is a must-have. Its stunning satin nickel finish on both the terminal and adjustable spacer shims allows signal to be transferred with ease. We love the inclusion of the nickel-plated spacers that allow the terminals to be compatible with a variety of cable fits. Yet our favorite features about these battery terminals is that they've been tapered to maintain a secure and precise fit. This aspect even beats the handy positive and negative markings that allow for easy identification. How anyone couldn't love this product astounds us. The best key features are: superior signal transfer accommodated thanks to nickel and gold construction. Instant polarity identification due to positive and negative markings. Included spacer shims are adjustable. One 2 gauge and one 4 gauge input. Tapered to ensure secure fit on applications. 2. Fastronics Solutions Battery Terminal. Are you fed up being let down by your current converter and are looking to switch it up a notch? Fastronics cater for customers who have a need for speed, and have designed their high-quality battery terminal for this reason. This product is fantastic for handling multiple battery installations in the likes of race cars, and RVs, essentially any vehicle in which having stable battery performance is crucial. Fastronics product will form a very tight connection to the battery due to the shrink tubing. These pieces are extremely thick, supple, and certainly worth the extra few bucks for factory quality results. And the company themselves proudly declare that their products are manufactured in the USA. After purchasing this style of terminal, you'll never consider going back to non-military battery terminals again. The best key features are: manufactured in the USA. Terminals and covers form very tight connection to battery posts. Red and black military spec covers included. Ideal for multiple battery installations in all cars requiring optimal battery performance. 3. AC Delco Professional Battery Cable Terminal. Who says that soft metal isn't reliable? The soft lead that AC Delco's 3BA35 Professional Battery Cable Terminal is constructed from has customers disappointed. They complain that it looks tacky and doesn't spring back out like other, sturdier products. Yet in our humble opinion, pliable lead is just as good. The nut won't eat into the soft lead while tightened. Ultimately, this malleability leads to superior electrical flow. Other worthwhile features that satisfied customers appreciate about AC Delco's creation are the color-coded, red and black design for easy identification of positive and negative terminals. Likewise, the professional battery cable terminal is universal, meaning that it can fit either the positive or negative battery post. The best key features are: replacement battery terminal made from soft and pliable lead. Both connectors are universal. Attractive red and black design is color-coded for easy use. Extremely easy to install. 4. Nissan Car Battery Terminal. Unfortunately, Nissan Car's factory battery terminals often become completely corroded to the point of no return. That's why it's important that the company sell quality connector terminal ends for a bargain. The positive battery terminal is compatible with the majority of 1998 to 2013 Nissan models, and will significantly improve the overall health of your vehicle. A word of warning to prospective customers is that this item is not sold with the nut to attach the battery cable. This shouldn't be a problem if you fit in a trip down to the hardware store prior to installation. And given the durable nature of the metal connector, we can hardly complain. Just remove the old corroded terminal, clean the connections, and pop your brand new model on in a couple of seconds. The best key features are: incredibly simple installation process. Manufactured from durable white metal. Positive battery connector terminal available at a bargain. Comes exactly as described. 5. Shoreline Marine Battery Terminal. Shoreline Marine want to get their customers safely back on the water as soon as possible. And their battery marine terminal kit is like medication for boats. It's not a coincidence that the terminal is made from solid lead rather than plated metal. Batteries contain sulfuric acid, which slowly but surely inches up terminals. As lead is very unreactive, the clamps will stay in prime, marine-grade condition. Suitable for all 12 and 24-volt applications, this handy product can even be used with car batteries. Plus, they're designed with their user in mind. The wing nuts are rubberized to decrease the risk of electric shots. Although these terminals have a larger lug on the positive red than the negative black terminals, not to worry. The butterfly nuts can be conveniently tightened by hand. Perfect for car, solar, and marine batteries alike, these terminals are as heavy-duty as they come. The best key features are: standard car battery can be converted for marine use. Easy installation and handling thanks to coated wing nuts. Fits all 12 and 24-volt applications. Made from solid lead so clamps won't corrode. Coated wing nuts are rubberized to minimize electric shocks.